How you doing? This is Mike from the Pipe Doctor Plumbing and Heating. We are just replacing a Rheem RAPM-036JEZ condensing coil under warranty, hopefully. Wanting to just triple check our work. Hooked up a nitrogen tank. I brazed the end. Hooked up a service port to it. And as you can see, we got a leak right there. Right there, one of the coils. Just one of possibly several on this condensing coil. This unit was sent by freight from Rheem to our distributor. We just picked it up this morning. 2 hours round trip. And now we got to bring this one back. So 4 hours of just travel time involved in this. Sometimes it's worth it just to buy the coil outright. Any case, thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, feedback, drop them down in the comment section down below. Thank you.